The tree is called the Coco de Mer of the Seychelles. It's the tree's fruit with its erotic shape, which was its downfall. The nuts were highly prized when found washed up on Indian Ocean shorelines, and in the 13th century were worth as much as 4,000 gold florins. No one knew where they were coming from. When their location in the Seychelles was finally discovered, most of the forests were razed to the ground in an attempt to maintain their value. The resemblance to the human body is also present in the male tree. Its catkin has a similarity to the human male sex organ. There's no wonder this exotic and intriguing tree, some of which live for over 1,000 years, has its own legend. It's said that by the light of a full moon, the male tree uproots itself and makes its way across to the female to make love to her. However, the legend also says anyone who witnesses this amorous encounter won't live to tell the tale.
Weather is strange and unpredictable. But what could be stranger than animals falling from the sky with the rain?